of being slow. Because you could break my neck. Be careful. Heels, the arches of your feet in between my spine.
Did you do anything?
Yes. Just go back the other way.
Okay.
Oh. Hold on 1 second. Stay where you are. I just have to. Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright, we did.
Alright, now the whole key is you have to like stay in one place after you do it. That's the whole.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
But anyway, bada boom, bada bing. Good job, baby.
You're welcome. I love you.
Good job. Oh. So then the other thing is I'll lay you down and you can lay me down and see which leg is longer than the other one. So if the left leg is longer than the other one, you take off the other one, you balance it out so they're balanced right, so you're not off.
Yeah.
So I know all about that shit, trust me.
I'm not sure if I'm off or not.
I'll have to look at it.